Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're asking a strange but important question based on a new research paper. Do androids dream of unseen puppeteers? In other words, can artificial intelligence develop a conspiratorial mindset? Researchers decided to find out by giving several large language models a series of validated psychological surveys, the same kind used to measure conspiracy beliefs in humans. First, they wanted to know if the AIs had any innate conspiratorial tendencies right out of the box. The results showed that the models already had some agreement with core conspiracy ideas, like the belief that nothing happens by coincidence and that the truth is hidden from the public. However, they were more neutral or even skeptical about other topics, like the existence of secret groups controlling the world or UFOs. Next, the researchers explored whether these AI models hold societal biases. They did this by asking the models to answer the surveys again, but this time pretending to be different kinds of people, varying their age, gender, race, wealth, and political views. This is where the findings got a bit concerning. The AI models consistently predicted that personas who were non-white, older, male, less wealthy, and Republican would be more likely to believe in conspiracies. This suggests the AI has learned and can reproduce common, and potentially harmful, societal stereotypes it found in its vast training data. They even analyzed the specific words the AI used in its justifications. When role-playing an older person, the AI's arguments often centered on life experience and conservative values. When pretending to be younger, its reasoning shifted to topics like school, university, and critical thinking. But the most alarming discovery was how easily an AI can be pushed into a full-blown conspiratorial mindset. Researchers gave the models just a few conspiracy-style statements as a starting point before asking the survey questions again. With this simple prompt, the model's responses shifted dramatically, and they began to strongly agree with nearly all the conspiratorial items. This demonstrates that these advanced AIs are highly susceptible to manipulation and can be easily steered toward adopting a specific and potentially dangerous worldview. So, let's quickly recap what the researchers found. First, AI models have a mild, built-in tendency to agree with some general conspiracy concepts. Second, they contain demographic biases, linking certain groups of people to this type of thinking. And third, they can be very easily prompted to adopt a strong conspiracy mindset. What does this all mean for the future? On one hand, this capability makes AI a potentially useful tool for social scientists to simulate human behaviors in a controlled way. But on the other, it highlights a massive safety risk, showing how these models could be weaponized to create convincing misinformation or fuel influence operations. Understanding these hidden psychological dimensions of AI is a crucial step toward building safer technology for everyone. Thanks for joining us at Summarize Science.